Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a Grammarly extension in your Google Chrome. When you type on a Google, you are using a lot of tools and applications. So if you want to correct your grammatical mistakes or errors, then you can simply a tool called Grammarly. It will help you in corrections and structuring your sentence. So if you want to add a Grammarly tool, please enjoy the video till end and hit the subscribe button. So let's start the video. First, you need to type Grammarly on the Google bar. Then a lot of results are shown. You will click on the Grammarly free writing. Now you will click on the Get Grammarly. You just have to sign up with Google. Here you can use any Google account. It helps the user correct the grammatical mistakes. As verification is done, now you can see a Grammarly tab appears. You can click on the Add to Chrome and the extension will be added to your Google Chrome. Add extension. Now you can see a file is downloaded and Grammarly extension is added in Google Chrome. If the icon is not appears, then you can click on the extension option and pin the extension and it will be added in your extension bar. It will automatically correct the mistakes in your typing, but if you want to check the whole document of your Word file, then you can click on the upload button. In the upload section, you can select the any document from your device and it will suggest the solutions and correct the grammatical mistakes and errors. You can simply paste the written text here or you can also upload the whole document and overall score, goals, correctness, all these options appears. I'll show you how it works. For example, I have a paragraph. I'll paste it here and now you can see a lot of work is done. The overall score is 95 and in the correct when we click on the correctness it will show me the mistakes. For example, I typed at, but if I accept the suggestion then it will be replaced by 2. Now it is corrected. It show clarity, engagement mean how much your uh, help make your writing more interesting and effective, and the delivery means help you make the right impression on your reader. So it measures your text by using all these domains, so it will help you to improve your writing. So this is all about Grammarly. If you want to see more tutorial, please hit the subscribe button and like and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.